Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at problem 2. It is from section 3.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. For this problem, we need to answer what is the difference between the input and the output of a function. Okay, the input of a function is the independent variable. So we can say the input is the independent variable. The output is the dependent variable. So the output is the dependent variable. And that is because it depends on the value of the input. So it depends on the value of the input. So it is the dependent variable. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.